We are looking at how to say correctly the name of this German composer of classical music. So how do you say it in English? How is it normally said? In British English it is normally pronounced as Ludwig van Beethoven. Ludwig van Beethoven. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as Ludwig van Beethoven. In German, however, it is to be said as Ludwig van Beethoven. Beethoven. Ludwig van Beethoven. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from music whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.